Alright guys, so we're heading to the plot, and today I want to show you another route which we actually use. So there's a bus that goes to Jamaica Kahali. That's the one we're going to use from here. But in most of my videos, if you've seen, I actually jump on a bus that goes to Boss Malasha, and then I drop there and then walk to the plot. But today we're using another route, so come along. Yeah, watch this video from start to finish as I take you there. So let's go. Yeah, so now this area we're getting to is called Jamaica. So yeah, let me show you around how Jamaica looks like from this way. Okay, Zikomo. Okay. Alright guys, so we've arrived here, and yes, that will be this is a complex actually for the headman, but this looks like it's going to be our bus station for now. Anyway, so yeah, let's walk around now. I take you to our land. Yes guys, so here in Kahale now, and yeah, let's go to the plot and see the progress so far today guys. Today is day number 9. Okay, yeah, let's go. I'll show you guys how it is, the progress that we've made so far. My name is Samson, the roadman, and I'm super excited because today I'm actually shooting on a DJI Osmo 5 Pro. Okay, so that's the camera we're using, and let me know about the quality of this video today guys. Yes, so let's go and check out our land and the progress in the construction of our small cottage. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so we are here, and this has been people's shortcut from that road. We're going all the way to the main road on the other side, but of course this is our land over here. The land I'm stepping on right now is being sold. It's a 20 by 20 size of plot, 20 meters by 20, and it's going for 45,000 kwacha, about 1,700 US dollars. Okay, so we're here, and yeah, let me just give you a quick update on what happened yesterday and show you guys the number of the progress that we've made in the construction of our cottage right here. Uncle Danny, Mauka. So guys, yesterday we were putting the floor, and this is what you can see here so far. So this is our sitting room over here, and our kitchen on the other side. Let me show you how it is so far. Okay, so we are on the ring beam over there. Let me show you our bedroom. That's how our bedroom looks, guys. There. Okay, so that side, that's going to be our bathroom. We're going to cut it and build all the way up. Yes, guys. Alright, so let me show you our kitchen. Yesterday we didn't actually finish putting the concrete we had put on this other side, but then on this part, this is when they've just put on this part, as you can see. Yes guys, is it straight? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so this is a petition for our kitchen here. It's a 2 meters, I think 210. Yeah, 210, I remember. Okay, so that's the petition for our kitchen, and then the main okay guys, so let me know, actually also let me know about the quality of this camera. It's our new baby, guys. Okay, so let's show you this side. So this is how it is, this is how it works. So we're starting from here today. Okay, yes, let me take you to my favorite spot, guys. My favorite spot is right on the hill, so let me take you there. Let me run again today. Oh, there we go. So I'm right on top, guys, and you can see. So this is our area, guys, and this is how it looks. Let me show you around, and our house is right there. Okay, that's our small cottage over there, which we are building here in Kahali village. So guys, right there. So let me know of your impression on the progress so far in the comments down below, guys. And on the other side is our neighbors that are actually clearing up their land, thinking they want to start constructing. But this is our area here in Kahali. Show you guys how it is all the way up there, and our house over there, and our neighbor's house on the other side. Okay, so today, guys, I'll keep updating you guys on the progress, how far we are going to go today. So if you're new, guys, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I post a new video, you guys, you don't miss like anything. I think I look more clear on this side, okay, because the sun is actually rising. Okay, so like the video, guys. That's the only way you can support me, liking the video, so that they actually go, like, YouTube shows them to a lot more people. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. I'll be back, and I'm going to show you the progress that we are going to make today. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, so Let me give you another quick update right here in Kahale village, where we are constructing our small house over here, as you can see from there. So let me just go and show you guys how far we've gone today. Yes guys, so this is it. Let me show you. So actually the guys have started raising the walls from the corner, that side up there, and then so on this side we don't have a window, but you can see that the last 3 courses have been raised already from there. Okay, let me show you again from here, over there, and this side. Another corner is being raised just right about now. Okay, right there. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so when you're done with these, like raising the corners, they're going to start building like right up in the middle here. So the corners are tricky when they have to be set like properly before you can start like building on this side. You know, when the corners are straight, when one is raised here, it gives you guidance like when you're building the middle part. Yes, so that's the reason why most bricklayers actually start from the corners, or builders start from the corners, guys. So also today, guys, I'm using the new DJI Action 5 Pro to shoot my videos. So let me know how the quality is. You know, I'm super excited about this gadget. It took me about 2 months for it to actually get to Zambia, and yesterday the post office actually called me to go and collect it, and I'm super happy that today I'm even able to shoot from it. Take a look. Okay, so we're coming live from Kahale village here in this part of Zambia, and Kahale is about 25 minutes drive from Lusaka CBD. So yes guys, that's where we're coming from. Okay, let me update you on the next step when the guys are done. Yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so this is the area view from my hill right there. So you can see the guys have started building like in the corners, and that's how it looks so far today. But I'll update you guys when you're done like constructing like the 3 courses on top of the ring beam. Yes guys, and then we'll say we'll declare the house as ready to have a roof, you know, on top of it. So yeah, let me continue guys, giving you like updates on how we are doing here in Kahale village. Okay, so keep watching the video. Yes guys. Alright, I like wearing the hat these days because it's so hot, and also at least I've changed the haircut. So yes, I've been keeping a lot of hair like afro, but now I'm changing a little bit. So it's a 2025, so new things, new hairstyle. Okay, yes guys. Hey guys, so this is in our kitchen, but take a look what's happening here. You can see some cracks over here, even there. Maybe we need water for it to cure properly. Even here. Kudisha mfacement wangu kutia haikat. Alright guys, I'm giving you another aerial view from this side. And you can see I'm right on top, and I'm overseeing this construction, guys, and so far so good. Yeah, as you can see, so from up there, that's how it is. And we have a great view of the entire neighborhood actually. So that side, that's where Apollo is. Up there, the Apollo. So when planes are landing at the airport, they usually come this side, and then they are directed from there, passing through this neighborhood all the way. There's another mountain over there where there's ZAF control, and from there they go straight and land at the airport. Okay, so that's how the neighborhood looks like. Let me show you if I can explain this. Like a drone shot that I'm taking here, guys. It's not. So this is how it is. Okay. Hey guys, so let me give you another update for today. Well, we are here in Kahali village where we are constructing our cottage. Okay, so let me just walk you around, guys, and show you how far we've gone today so far. Anyway, hey, okay guys, let me walk you around and show you. It's we're making some progress, guys. We're making some progress, and thanks to you for coming through, for helping out. Yes guys, and yeah, this project we've kickstarted it. We kickstarted it actually like 9 days ago. Today is the 9th day of constructing or building our small cottage right here. So as you can see, we've still remained with a bit of sand over here. This is the building sand which we use in Zambia. Yeah, so we've been getting from here, you know. And then over here we've got quarry dust. Okay, we've got quarry dust over here, and let me take you to the house. So guys, take a look. This is where we've gone. This is how far we've gone today, and the day hasn't died yet, so we're still building. But this one, let me just show you guys. So after the ring beam, we've put the 3 courses, and after that is the roof, guys, that is coming over there. So, which is cool, I think. Oh, there's a chicken here. Take a look, guys. Here in the village in Kahali. So you can see from here. So it's a building. Today we are still building. Yeah, mboko mvula. Okay guys, so still building all the way, and this side is also almost done with the 3 courses over here. Yes guys, now it looks like it's gonna rain anytime soon here in Kahali village. So it's almost raining, but let me show you inside. This will be our entrance, of course. I'll sit down. Okay. Alright guys, so the petitioning is ongoing here for the that's for our bathroom over there. Okay. Oh, mvula ya bwera hii. Okay guys, so here as you can see the kitchen is almost done as well. Okay, so that's how far we've gone today, and the rains are here. I don't even know if what they are just from building is going to be strong when the rains come, because the rains are already here anyway. I don't know. Is it going to be strong? I don't know. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel and watching my video up to this far. So yeah, we're ending our video today here. This has been day number 9 of building or constructing our small cottage right here in a village called Kahale, in Chiwombo district of Zambia. Of course, it's about 25 minutes drive from Lusaka's CBD. Okay, so this is where we are. This is Kabango West actually. So thank you so much guys for watching the video actually all the way to this far. And today I'm using a new camera, and I want you guys to let me know about the quality of this video. Okay, and yeah, please keep supporting me guys. If you feel like it's in your power to support me complete this small house, and of course we're going to start the construction of the big house over here, please let me know. You can get in touch with me, support me. I'll put my WhatsApp line over here. Please guys, I'll be banking on you, those that have been watching my content on this channel, and they find value in it. Please support me this time around. I would really be banking on you guys to construct the house over here. But we have a cottage that is coming up so well already, and that cottage, it will be used like a storage for raw materials so that we can actually construct our main house over here. Okay, so it's about to rain here, and thank you so much for those that are coming through, and thank you so much for people like Uncle Kabwe in the UK, who has shown some support, some great support. Thank you so much. May God bless you, sir. And everyone that is contributing via liking the videos, watching my videos from start to finish, I really appreciate. I'll end this video from here today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.